Hey guys, welcome back to Fun with Ru. Today I'm going to be playing Adopt Me, and before we get into the video, I have a huge announcement to make at the end of the video, so stick around to hear the huge announcement. So today I'm going to be doing a house tour on Adopt Me. For those of y'all who don't know what Adopt Me is, the game Adopt Me will be available on the app Roblox. Roblox is a very fun app with thousands of games on it, and among all of those, Adopt Me is my favorite because in this game, you can get your dream pets and dream houses like the luxury apartment and the Hollywood mansion, celebrity mansion, the estate, etc. These are the houses, and you can get many pets, even your dream ones like pandas, unicorns, hyenas, giraffes, dragons, dinosaurs, fossil dinosaurs. Any pet you could ever dream of will be available in this game. So please download it. And today I'm going to be doing a house tour. So there are about 15 houses in the game. Sorry, not 15. There are like 24 houses in the game. That means there are almost 25 houses in the game. So you can buy like this: the luxury apartments, the millionaire mansion, the Hollywood house, the party house, etc. So from all of these houses, I have challenged myself to buy every single one of these houses in the order it's given. So I have the first 5 houses. That's the tiny home, family home, pizza place, tree house, and estate. So the tiny home is also called the starter home because when the person who is playing for the first time joins this game, that person always gets the tiny home. That's why they call it the starter home, because the person always starts with the house. So let's enter the house. Let me remove my roller skates first. Okay, so let's enter the house. And you can even change the outer color of the house, which I will be showing you all when I show the second one. So this is the living room. Over here are the couches, the table, the flower pot, and these are all cute wallpapers. So you can keep on changing the wallpapers, but it costs money, which I'll show you all how to change. These are lamps. They are called modern lamps if you all want to search them. And this is called the Build with Friends. So in this, you can just press on it and say add builder. So as of now, I've added all of my friends as builders. That's why you'll see no friends over here. These are just the people in the server who are not my friends. So I've added all my friends as builders, and I add a budget, which will come like right here. Let me circle it for you. The budget will come like right there, and that's basically it. Your friends can help you build. So over here you press edit walls, and you just can change the wallpaper. And don't worry, by mistake if you press on a wallpaper like this, it won't buy it. Will show to you how to look in the particular room, and then you can buy it if you want by clicking on the tick mark. And you can also change the flow, but I'd stick to this flow. And if you want to search, you can either go on modern and search for the furniture like that, or you can just press on search furniture and type sofa. Yeah, you can type sofa, or you can type couch. Sometimes it doesn't come, maybe I did wrong spelling, but yeah, you can type like that. So that's it. And next I'll show you all my bedroom. This bedroom is quite small compared to the other ones, which I will be showing to you all in the video. And this is the bathroom. So starter home provides you only with the living room, bathroom, and bedroom. So I didn't want to build a kitchen in this. I just wanted to keep it simple and sweet. So now let's move on to the second home. So this was the first house I built once I joined the game. So the second home is my family home. So this is the family home. I like the color, so I don't want to change the outer color. And this is it. So in the family home, there are additional stairs and additional hall space and additional room. That is the kitchen. And plus there's a passageway which I'll be showing you all later. So over here is the sleek feeder. I just remove one of my pets. So this is just one of my pets, and I can either make them drink or eat. So over here the person can pay me by clicking on the register. Now I can't pay myself because the money which I pay through the register will come back to me. So, and that's the piano right there. So the piano is used for a particular task. That's the park task. So if you want to go to the park, you don't have to go all the way over there by going through the exit. You can just sit on the piano and your park task will be fulfilled. This is the TV right here, the shelf under the TV. And for the additional hall space, I just built a dining room. These barriers which are there in the background, these are called glass barriers. And these are the shelves, and I added a bookshelf. So first I'll take you to the bathroom. Oh, and plus I added a spotlight here, a triple hanging light on top of that, and a board over here. And yeah, and by the way guys, this is called a sleep feeder. So this is the bathroom. So among all the houses I have till now, this is one of the biggest bathrooms, I feel, because it has 2 doors and a lot of space. So over here is the window which acts like a mirror. And yeah, the shower, the shelf, the towel holder, the sink, the bathtub and the toilet. And this is the passageway. That means I can come, this is the living room, remember. So this is this passageway which I have the built with friends. And over here you can see 6 written. That means, yes, just give me 1 second. Yeah, that means 6 of my friends are added as built with friends. This is the kitchen. So the things down are called counters and things up are called cabinets, if y'all were wondering, because y'all have to nail the kitchen if y'all want to get the correct thing. So these are pizzas. You can just grab the pizzas, donuts, kettles, stars, blenders, pot holders, mug holder. And over here, let's go up to the bedroom. And I plus added boxes under the stairs for more of a rugged look. Added posters right here. And over here, I added a door to make it look like a separate room. So this is my bedroom with the shelf, study table, another shelf on top there, the clothes rack, the posters, side table. Side table is called a modern table, I think. Yeah, it's called a modern table. That's the bed, that's the pet bed, because pets can't sleep on my bed, apparently. So next house is my pizza place. I'm excited to show you my pizza place. So here is my pizza place. So let's enter. And plus till now the pizza place is one of the tallest places I've had from the 5. So this is my 3rd house. So this is the pizza place. Over here I've added these rope things. They're called rope barriers. I've even added boards. Next, lamps, then a side table where the people can pay me by clicking on the register as I showed you all. This is the table which is built. Again, this is the bed with friends. And this is the kitchen, the main part of the pizza place. So it's not that good, but I really love the pizza place. So just take this sauce, cheese, pepperoni. And this is the sleek feeder. And over here the board again. Then I added a rolling pin on top. And yeah. So I guess I just can like sit here and eat my food, and after eating I don't want the food to get saved in my inventory automatically. So over here I have stairs and I've added posters on the wall to make it look nice and not boring. And once I enter this room, this is my bedroom, that is upstairs. And over here is the piano with the bookshelf, the lounge area, like I can just sit here and watch TV. You can even sit here. And you can even sit here. So this is the study table, the bookshelf, the posters of book monsters, the side table, the bed, the pet bed, and yeah, that's it. And boards, posters, lamps. And over here is this bathroom, which is quite small, but I think it looks cute. So we are on to the next house. That is my 4th house, the tree house. Okay, so my tree house is loaded, guys, but to get to it we have to climb up the stairs. Otherwise, if there were no stairs or if there was no ladder to go to the tree house, why would it be called a tree house? Oh my, there's a tree in front of my tree house. That's quite a coincidence. How am I supposed to enter it? Okay then. So there has never been a big tree in front of my tree house. I was like, what is that first? Then I got it. So this is my tree house over here. So all these glass barriers you see, like this whole thing here is a glass barrier. This is a glass barrier, so I built it When I got this tree house, I only had a living room, like this whole space empty, and a bathroom and a bedroom. There was no kitchen, so I decided to do something which I'll be showing you all. So this is the lounge area. And over here I've added bricks because I couldn't add more glass barriers. And right here is the piano, the lamps, and this is my kitchen. Over here the bathroom was supposed to be there, but I converted it into the kitchen, which I really love. And some mustard, ketchup, blender, sink, mugs, pots, pans, chopping board, pizza, and some bread and a lamp there. And now I'll take you all to my bedroom. So as I was saying, since there was no kitchen, oh by the way, there was a dining room here too, I just made it. So yeah, since there was no kitchen, I decided that I would divide my bedroom into half by adding a barrier and make one half the bedroom and make the other half the bathroom. So over here is just a normal guest seating area. I put boards, posters, people can pay me, again the bed with friends, and just the passageway with flowers, a shelf, some windows, a tree, and a hello sign. And over here, so this is what I was talking about. This half is the bathroom, and this half is the bedroom. So like the bed, the clothes rack, and this is called a vanity table or a makeup bench. You can find it in fashion. Just press on edit, stuff, and press the arrow to the side and go on fashion. So in fashion you'll find it right here. Yeah, 40 hairdressing table. It's right here. That's the hairdressing table. And I think there's one more there. The makeup bench. That's the makeup bench. So this is the tree house. And I really love the tree house a lot. And now let's move on to my last and final house, which is the estate. And I'm really excited to show you guys the estate because that's my favorite house till now from all the houses I have. So let me remove the estate. So here's the estate. So how to change the outer color of your house? Press on the mailbox, say change house. So that's how I've been changing my houses all this while. And you can press on paint color. So as of now it's pink. If I change it to dark blue, it sometimes automatically changes to dark blue, but I have no clue why it's not changing there. It changed to dark blue, but I prefer to take it magenta because I mostly love the magenta or the dark purple, but not dark. So this is the estate. So this is the living room. So the living room looks kind of like a balcony, which I really love the effect. So I'll tell you all the secret of how I've done it. They're just mirrors. Just type mirror and you get this. So the actual wallpaper is pink and I've just added this over the whole bedroom. So guys, this has taken a lot of hard work to do over the whole room. So please subscribe and turn on bell notifications, like, comment and share. So over here I've built this TV. You can build it by pressing on edit, stuff, and you gotta press simple shapes, and over there you can get different simple shapes. So I've used bricks to build this and a bottle, but sometimes it like merges with the background because when it's day, the background of my living room or the wallpaper of my living room becomes cloudy or like the sky, and when it's night it becomes fully black. So I love the transition. So this is my bookshelf, the sewing machine. I really love the sewing machine because it gives a nice show to the table, I guess, and the piano. And I've also added some boxes under the stairs. So I'll show you all upstairs later. First I'll show you all the kitchen. I want to show you all the party room last, so I have to skip that. So this is the kitchen. So this is the most favorite kitchen, my most favorite kitchen from all the houses, because I mostly hate building kitchens because they're so small and tiny, but this one was big, so I could use my imagination. So over here, oh wait, this came out. Let me just put it back. There. So over here, there are fridges, rolling pins, cheese grater, pizza, bread oven, knife rack, mug holder, bottle, microwave, mustard ketchup, towel holder, another sink over here, some donuts, and a crate with apples. So I actually couldn't add more apples because half the apples were jutting out, so I managed to add two. And that's it for my kitchen. So take a look. I've also had a garbage bin over here and a tree here. So I need to skip the party room because the party room is right out of my kitchen, and I'll show you all upstairs. So I'm back in the hall, and over here I've added boxes under the stairs for a more rugged look or a rustic look. I've even done that with my family home, if you all remember. And I've added posters along the stairs, and over here I've just added a glass barrier so no one steals my money. So there's one thing behind me that I don't want to show you all now, but I will show it to you all later because it's super fun. So over here, the sink, the towel holder, and the toilet, the shelf. Oh, and this is the mirror slash window. This is the biggest bathtub I've bought till now, and this is the towel holder. So I have to just go slowly so I don't see it. So this is the bedroom. So this is the box of toys, a TV, the study table, the computer table or PC table, the shelf, the bed, the cute bed, the tree, the vanity table or makeup table, as I was saying. Like I can pretend to do my makeup. Okay, and this is the sofa. And yeah, so guys, I'm still going to show you that surprise later. But I have to get down the stairs very fast so y'all don't see it there. So now, are you ready to see the party room? Y'all are going to love it. So I didn't know what to do with this room, but then I got it. 3, 2, 1. This is the party room. Woohoo! So I just remove any one of my pet. So here I remove my otter and make the otter sit, or even my friends can sit on these chairs. I added a fog machine on top. I added some lights over here if y'all can see. Right there, those are the lights. And I've also added the kitchen, as y'all saw the kitchen before. And yeah, so I can I love this neon arrow because it gives a more, the atmosphere looks good of it, and I added the star behind. I added spotlight and the music machine, I guess, or whatever. And I can just go behind, my friends can sit, watch and enjoy the show, and I can just dance. First I thought the fog machine would produce too much fog, but then it looked all better. So my pet is enjoying the show of me dancing. Woohoo! So are you ready for the surprise on top? So the surprise is that I have a panda chair. Woohoo! So it's actually a panda beanbag, which looks super fun and super cool, and I really love this. So y'all can look at my houses and get ideas from there, and try to build your own houses by looking at my house. And guys, shout out to all my friends who helped me build this, because my friend left the bedroom, which I showed you all, a surprise for me. And even my friend built this for me. I did not know about this. My friend built this for me as a surprise. And even the down window mirroring the balcony and the clouds was also my friend's idea. And plus most of them have helped me build all my houses. So thank you so much all my friends for helping me build. Big shout out to you guys. And so are you ready for the announcement? The announcement is that the first 3 people to comment on my video, their names are going to be called out. That means if you all want your names to be called out, for example, I comment on my own video, so I say the first person who has commented on my video is Fun with Roo. So the first 3 people to comment on my video, their names are going to be called out on the next video, and I will be doing this for every video. So guys, that's it for today. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and comment down below what other videos on Adopt Me you all want to see. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye guys.